Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make a beaded bag handle with a very simple method. So we'll be needing your scissors for cutting, your fishing line, I'm using 0.6, and of course your beads. These are smaller bag beads. Okay, so let's get started. By simple way, what I mean is that I will not go by the normal. If you want the length to be like say 30, you will have to do the 1 crossing 30 times before you start with the second row. Here I'm not going to do it that way, so kindly watch as I do it. So pick 4. Then I'll cross the 4th one. Like this. I know this is not new to most of you, so next I'll pick 3, 1 on the left, 1 on the right, and then I'll cross the 3rd one. Like this. I'm making my handle to be 30 by 3 or maybe 35, but I will not continue to make this 35 times before I start with the second row. When I do that, I feel really lazy to do that, so I don't go by that method. So since the width is 3, I will turn with the 3rd unit. Hope it is understandable. So I'll pick 3, put 2 of the beads on one side of the fishing line, and then I will cross 1 fill. That is why I have picked 1. And I will cross the 3rd one. So like this, and now I'll build the 3 up. So that is it. And this one, if you really understand the bead matching, it will be easy for you, because every 2 steps or every 2 units that you do, you have to turn. And so if you don't understand the concept of turning, you will find it difficult doing it this way. But if you have mastered the turning already, then you are good to go. I already have a video on the channel on how I made bead matting the normal way that we all know, so you can check that out to work on your turning. Let me take this opportunity to also announce to you that I have started online tutorials, that is private tutorials. If you have a specific bag, a specific necklace, anything that has got to do with beads, and you want a tutorial on it privately, you can contact me through social media handles: Facebook Maze Creations, Instagram Maze Creations GH. All the handles are in the description box, as well as my phone number or WhatsApp number. So you can reach out to me if you want a private tutorial. So I'll just continue to do this till I get to the 30 or 35 that I want. So I would do some 3 or 4 lines with you, and then we'll come and show you the next thing to do. Please don't forget to subscribe. If you watch my videos and you benefit from it and you don't subscribe or like it, you are not being fair to me. So please kindly subscribe to the channel and share it as well. You see that I'm moving faster as compared to the other way. And when you try it, you will attest to the fact that I'm not lying at all. Okay, so I will go ahead and do the rest of camera and come and show you when I have read my desired length. This is how far I have gotten to. This is 34, but the length is okay for me, but I want to show you another easy way. So this is 34, so let's say I want 37, so it's left with 3 more. So I'll continue right there by picking 3, 1 on the left, 1 on the right, and then I'll cross the 3rd one. Repeat it. Pick 3, 1 on the left, 1 on the right, you cross the 3rd one. And now because I want 3 and this is 2, so I'll turn with the 3rd one. So by turning, I'll put 2 of the beads on my left fishing line, and then I'll cross the 3rd one. And again, I'll pick 3. Put 2 on the fishing line in your left hand, like this, and then you cross the 3rd one. Like I said, you have to understand the concept of bead weaving before you can do this with ease. And then here I'll enter these 2 beads here. So 1 and 2. And because I entered 2 beads, I'll just pick 1 and cross it. And then with my right fishing line, I'll enter this bead. Take 2. Put 1 on the fishing line in your left hand, and then you cross the 2nd one, and then continue. and because I'm ending, I'll just take 2 and tie it. So I have this 37 long. Here is 3, and then it's 37 long this way. And now we are going to join it to make our handle like this. But I will not join it from this end to this end. I will leave 3. You can just enter some few beads with this fishing line and then you cut it. Okay, so let me use this thing. So I will leave 3 and then start from the 4th one. So I'll count 1, 2, 3 and enter the 4th bead with my fishing line. Then I'll pick 1 bead on the fishing line like this, and with the same side of the fishing line I will enter the 4th bead on this side. And then I'll hold the ends of the fishing line together to make sure they are equal. So from here I'll pick 1 and cross it. Now next I will enter the next bead on my right with my right fishing line, enter the next bead on my left with my left fishing line, make sure you enter 1 bead at a time, and then I'll pick 1 and cross it. I know this is not new to you, so I'll just continue. So I'll do the rest of camera and come and show you when I'm done with it. So as you can see, I'm almost done, but I just developed a new and simple way, fastest way of joining this. So I left this part to show you. So here I'll just take one side of the fishing line, and then add the bead on it. And then on this side I'll skip this one and enter the next bead. Pick one, skip this and enter the next bead. Pick one bead, skip this one, and then you enter the next bead. Hope you are getting it right. Pick one bead, skip this one, enter the next bead. Skip this, enter this one. And after that I will go in with the other fishing line by entering the beads in a zigzag way. So I will go this way. Okay. So I'm entering the ones that I skipped. And since I've reached the end, I will just put one bead on any of the fishing line and I will just tie it. I'll be using this handle in my next video, and so if you want to know how I will attach this handle, kindly subscribe so that you won't miss that video. Thank you so much for watching.